Hi, I can recall that I made a promise to you yesterday. Okay, if you check the Telegram channel and the WhatsApp channel and the groups, the Christian community, I made a promise to you yesterday, and a bold promise, really. So if you look at this on the Telegram channel, I said you can earn free money on Binance without risk. Okay, this is for those that participate in Binance Launchpool to farm new tokens. But before I proceed, has this happened to you before? Probably something like this. Okay, you bought BNB so you can farm your tokens via Launchpool. Shortly after the Launchpool or Launchpad is over, BNB drops in value. Okay, it has happened a lot of times to many people. Okay, personally, I've experienced it before. So when this happens, two things are involved. Your BNB loses value to the point that it makes Launchpool or Launchpad, whatever, unprofitable for you. It's covered that you have like $1,000 out of BNB in the Launchpad. Then you got allocation of, let me say, $25 allocation or like $50 allocation from that. Just an instance, please. So, and by the time they release those tokens to you, the value of your BNB has dropped like 900. Yeah, it means that you're in loss. And another case is that your BNB loses value, but you manage to break even or earn small profits. All right. So you have like $1,000 out of BNB in that launch pad or that launch pool. Then before they could release those tokens to you, it has dropped value to like 950. And by the time you look at the value of what you have, probably around $50. Okay, it means that that is break even for you. No profit, no loss. And sometimes it has dropped value to like 960, and you only manage to make $10 profit from it after waiting for like some days. Okay, so it may look like it's not worth it for using it. So this should solve it. Okay, this should solve it, and that solution is what I'm about to release onto you right now. Okay, and I said yesterday that I was going to make a video about it and teach you, tomorrow, and that tomorrow is what is today. Let's go. Okay, okay. Sorry, initially my VPN got disconnected, so due to bad network. So I think it's okay now. So looking at this is the demo environment for Bybit. So for those of you who don't have an account of Bybit, I'm going to leave you a link, in the description. You can create an account so they can also enjoy this testnet. Is that clear to you now? This demo for practice. So don't take my word for it. When I show you something, try and practice it. Okay, that is how you make it stick to your mind. Okay, you make it stick to your mind forever. So now, you're gonna be, I'm gonna be showing you, based on that problem that I made to you, how you can do this without making any loss. So that whatever you make from the launchpad or the launch pool becomes pure profits for you. Okay, and you can keep doing this and doing this and doing this till God knows when. Exactly as you know, till God knows when. So how do you not go about it? First and foremost, hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then like this video, share with your friends, and make a promise to me right now. If you get value throughout the length and breadth of this video, okay, make a promise that you're going to share it with your friends, and also make a comment that you enjoyed it, you got some value from it in the comment section. Okay, that is all I'm asking for you in exchange of this value, please. Okay, please, I'm begging you. So we're gonna get started now. This is coinmarketcap.com right now. This is the price of BNB of coinmarketcap.com. Okay. If I scroll down right here, you discover that, let's say I have like 4K. Okay, 4K today is like, $4,000, and I want to participate in this launch part. Maybe for the next 2-3 months. In a bull market in those days, even now, okay, Binance continues to launch new tokens, new projects on their platform, either Launchpool or Launchpad. Now, if you are committing stable coins like FDUSD, which is a new stable coin on Binance, if you are committing such stable coin, you will not be getting as much value from the pool or from the pad as those who are committing BNB, because Binance understand that you are taking risk, and they want to give you more higher reward than the other guys. Okay, so with your 4K now, you can buy 5 BNB. 5 BNB, it means that you have using $2,092 to buy that. Okay, maybe if you participate, it is possible you participate in like 4 or 5 Launchpad or Launchpool and get as much as $300 profit, 400, 500, depending on how successful the token is. Some tokens they will give you on Launchpad, and after like few months, boom, it prices in value like crazy. Is that clear to you now? So what do you do? What are you going to do in this case? You take your 4,000. Let me copy this out. I'll copy this right now. I'll go to calculator. This is my calculator. Okay, you can see I've made this video before, but fortunately my microphone got really bad. It didn't get bad, but because the software I'm using to record this now, okay, I did not really activate the section for this particular microphone. Okay, so I couldn't, the audio quality was so bad. So, and my fans, I can't be uploading video and you can barely hear what I'm saying. It doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, so now based on the current price now, okay, let me make a new one for you. This is 4,000, then minus this current amount. It gives us what? 1,180. Did you see that? So you use almost 3K to buy real BNB, yeah, spot market. You buy that, then you take that to Binance and commit it, okay, and start farming. Yeah, start farming. And after that stage, what is the next thing? You go to the same Binance futures markets, or it does not necessarily have to be Binance market. You can go to any futures market of your choice, as long as there is BNB on that futures market. And my students who are watching this, you don't even need to go to any. You can even you can go to your broker, okay, and use BNB with your forex broker and still achieve the same result. Okay, just go to a broker and open short on it. Okay, calculate the position size. Excuse me, and they are good to go. Is that clear to you? Okay, so moving on from here, don't forget you have extra 1K left, isn't it? Then you come here. Okay, you go to the futures market like this. Never mind. This is a tested environment. The price may not be exact price that you see on the mainnet environment. So the price you are seeing here is as a result of interaction between demo traders. So, but that is not what you need. You just need to understand how to play the game around it. Now, let's assume now that the current price you are seeing here is not 540. Okay, it is 596 as it is here. So then you come here. What do? On your exchange, you can buy by value like this, okay, and you can buy by quantity. In this case now, we want to buy by quantity. This is premium knowledge, okay. Many of you have been hearing about edging in this life, but for some reasons you don't really know much about how to go about it. You don't even know how to do it. Okay, don't be scared, I got you covered. So coming here now, don't forget that we are buying 5 BNB. You go to this market and also buy 5 BNB. Okay, you buy 5 BNB. So it means that they are perfectly hedged. Okay, look at this value and look at this value. So you look at the value, you look at the other value here. So your other value is going to be approximately what you have on the spot, like this one. Like this one. Can you see it now? That's what you need. So once that is achieved, then you click on short. You open short on it. Does that make sense to you? Okay. You open short on it right there. You don't have much time to waste. Go ahead and open short on it. So once you open that short, that is properly hedged. Okay, 1:1 edge. Okay, you are not cheating the long, you are also cheating the short. And don't because this allows you to use leverage. You don't need more money. In this case now, you only need like 1K. It's not even up to 1K that we need here. You only need 1K to open these shorts. Now here comes the question. For those of you that already know about this, about trading very well, you'll be like, what is this guy saying? What if I get liquidated? Okay. What if I lose the short position? What if BNB pumps? relax. When BNB pumps, okay, BNB could actually pump to like, I don't know, any price. As it is pumping, the value that you have, this dollar value of the BNB, continue to rise up. At the point where the dollar value of this BNB rises to 4,000, you have like almost 3K now, to 4,000, at that point, this will have been liquidated. The money you've lost here, listen, you have gained it here on the spot, my friend. Is that clear to you? Okay? If this makes sense to you, please give me some nice comments. Okay? Right now. If it makes sense to you, if it does not make sense to you, ask further questions for clarity. Okay? So that I can break this for you for that. Okay? If I discover that your question in the comment box, okay, I can answer the question by chat by replying with text. I will do that. If I discover that I need to make an extra video for you, okay, I will do it so that I can explain this in a way that you fully understand the concept. Exactly. Now. So now looking at this, it is possible again, listen, that the BNB price is going to crash. It goes from 500 to 400, from 400 to 350. You don't have to set any TP yet. Okay? Don't set any TP. By the time this guy crashes and crashes and crashes, the fact that it is edged, it gives you peace of mind. No, forget it. This is properly edged. Yeah, this gives you a lot of confidence. By the time this guy crashes like 300, okay, you must have lost some value right here. Okay, so what you get if the price is now 300, okay, you get 1,005. Look at this one. Let me say, sorry, let me cancel this. Yeah. So you have 300 per BNB multiplied by the 5 that you have. How much is that? Okay. So that is 1.5. So you are almost down by 1.5. Okay. By the time you are almost down by 1.5, guess what's going to happen? Okay. This guy, the value that you have here, your money, you must have made like 2,500 profits on this position right here. You must have made like 2.5. So if you had that 2.5 to this 1.5 that is here, where is calculator again? Okay. Then you have your 4,000 intact. Don't forget, you are still getting tokens on the Binance Launchpad and the Binance Launchpool on a steady basis. Anytime you do Launchpool, you are making money. So what do you now do at that stage? Okay, as a smart investor, okay, you are able to write it down. And BNB is a good project. It's a solid project. It's a project that has a solid and the right foundation. You know that when the price goes down, at some point, it's a matter of little patience. The price will go back up again, isn't it? What do? You liquidate, you sell everything that you have here. Then you cash out 2.5. The moment you cash out 2.5, you transfer that money from the futures market right into the spot market. Okay? Then from that spot market, what do? You buy more BNB because you have 2005. Okay? Now, if you're now using 2005, at that stage, look at this one. 2,500 divided by the current price, which is 300. How much do you have? You have 8.3 BNB. Okay. Now, plus 5. How much do you have? Now you have 30.3 BNB. This is how the smart people have been able to take advantage of the market cycle. Sounds amazing. This is how institutions, big hedge funds, this is what they do. Are you getting it now? Now, by the time, let me now play with your imagination now. By the time that the value gets back to like 500, my guy, how much do you have? It goes back to 500. Crazy. You have 6,000. Okay. Don't forget, you don't chop money. You've chopped some money from Launchpool over years, maybe over months. Okay. Plus what you have here, okay, you've had a very good return on investment. I mean, very good return on investment. So your 4,000 in a year could probably have given you in a year or 2 years, I've given you an extra $3,000. Does that make sense to you now? Forget this, forget this 60, 60, 60. And this for your password, I don't like it. Or maybe don't get like 600. Let's say 13.8 really, or 3. Okay, multiply by 600. Crazy. Can you see that? That is how it works. So, and if you're not interested in buying more BNB, yeah, it is possible that you don't like that. If you're not interested in that, no problem. I mean, there is no problem. Continue to farm it. All right, continue to farm it. No problem with that. All right, so that is basically how it works. Does this make any sense to you? Now, if you want to even learn more, advanced knowledge of trading and investing from me, okay, join this. This is Trade to Earn Bootcamp. This is like a group training. Okay, I train people in batch. Okay, currently we have Bootcamp 9.0. I've trained people through first batch, second, third, fourth, up to the 9th batch right now. Okay, as at the time you're watching this video. So if you click on buy now, make a payment, or you can send me a DM, okay, on WhatsApp or Telegram, and do direct transfer. Okay, make a payment and you join that community of traders, of highly skillful traders and investors. Okay, with good level of knowledge of the market. So that is option 1. Yeah, I've met quite a number of people who doesn't like group trading. Okay, because they want to enjoy more mentorship and even more access to me. They want to have my hotline, not the WhatsApp, not the normal WhatsApp number, that they can call and they get answers to their questions right there. So go for what? For one-on-one trading. How much is that? $250. So 250,000 naira. Okay, that is even less than $20 based on the market value of Naira. Far, far, far less. Is that clear to you now? So now 250K is maybe somewhere around or something dollars, 120 or I don't know. That's it. It's quite affordable. Despite being a one-on-one, opportunity is quite affordable. So I will take you through cryptocurrency and forex in 3 weeks, and I will mentor you for a year. Okay, then I'm going to be giving you my outline. This is what in public. Okay, so you can always call that line. Have any question, challenge, anything, you can talk about it together. It's not okay. I will mentor support you for what 12 months. Then you become people like this. Okay, you become individuals like this. Giving good testimonies about how good the program is. You see that? Okay. So if that's what you want, there's going to be a link to this general training and the specific and one-on-one training also will be either in the description of this video or in the comment box. Does that make sense to you? So try this out. Okay, I've given you the value as promised. I've given you the knowledge as promised. It is now up to you to apply it in your endeavor. So that is it. Again, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a link to also subscribe and follow me also on Telegram and follow me also on WhatsApp. Okay, so they can get the maximum value from the community. Okay, tons and tons of free value information, crypto jobs, or tons of other values. So join those communities. Contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram if you have any question that is specific to trade and investing. Okay, so I can guide you the right way. All right. So guys, that is it. Bye and have a great day. I hope you got some value. As promised, don't forget, as promised, I said that when you truly get value, let me know in the comment box. Okay, don't just watch and just leave like that. Okay, you're not encouraging me. Okay, watch and give me your comments. Watch and give me your feedback. Watch and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.